superbly updated and move-in ready home in amenity-rich Lake Landor. This is essentially a brand new home. Check out all the updates. All major components have been updated in this home: new roof, gutter guards, vinyl siding and front porch replaced in 2018. AC heat pump, and water heater replaced in 2020. All new floors, entire home freshly painted, new tub and shower in 2020. All plumbing pipes have been replaced under the home. This home is super charming with a spacious open floor plan, beautiful new vinyl plank flooring and gorgeous granite counters. Call your favorite real estate professional and come see this one today.